How to buy a blackhead remover. 1. Blackheads, which are also called open comedones, are pores clogged with excess oil, dead skin, and bacteria. When exposed to air, the oil and dead skin turn black or brown, thus the name blackhead. This mild form of acne, usually on the face, appears as slightly raised bumps and is not painful. The American Academy of Dermatology does not recommend picking or squeezing blackheads because it increases your risk of scarring. You may still want to try different tools or treatments to get rid of them. By employing the tool and taking care of your skin, you can remove blackheads. 1. Cleanse your skin. Wash the area where you are removing the blackheads. This can open up your pores and remove surface bacteria or debris that may make removal difficult or cause infection. Wash with a gentle cleanser that has a neutral pH. Use an oil-free cleanser if you have oily skin and a glycerin or cream-based cleanser for dry skin. Do not scrub your skin. Wash with lukewarm water. Hot water can strip your skin of natural oils that moisturize your skin and also can irritate it. Dry your skin and avoid putting any products on it before you remove the blackheads. 2. Steam your skin. Opening your pores and making your skin more pliable can help you more effectively remove blackheads. Boil water and pour it into a bowl. Do not try to perform this while the water is still on the stove. Steam your skin over the bowl for a few minutes to help open pores and make your skin softer for removal. Place your skin at least 12 inches away from the boiling water to minimize the risk of burning yourself. Steam burns can be extremely severe, so use caution. Drape a towel over your head and bowl to capture more of the steam. 3. Apply topical blackhead creams. If you've decided to use topical creams to remove widespread or especially persistent blackheads, apply it to the area you want to treat. Use clean fingers to spread a thin layer of the product. Leave the product on your skin for as long as the package suggests. Allowing it to stay on longer may cause irritation. You may need to apply a moisturizer to the area if you leave it on overnight. This may help minimize irritation. 4. Employ the comedown extractor. If you've chosen to use a comedown extractor or lube, use it once you've steamed your face. Be as gentle as possible when you press it against the blackhead for removal. Gently press on only one side of the affected blackhead and gently move the extractor across the area of the blackhead. Move the tools over the top of the blackhead, which should cause the blackhead to come out as a plug. Once you've removed the blackhead, wash the extractor in hot, soapy water. 5. Try blue light therapy. Though further study is needed to determine the ideal method, light source, and dose, light therapy has been shown to kill the bacteria responsible for blackheads. Blue light therapy can be done by a doctor or at home with a handheld kit or mask. Instructions for use will vary depending on which device you buy. Follow the manufacturer's instructions closely and speak with your doctor or dermatologist if you have any questions. Treatment with light may cause temporary redness, pain, and sensitivity to light.